Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself working with Google Sheets in a language you're not totally comfortable with, or maybe you want to quickly translate a whole spreadsheet for a team or client, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to translate content in Google Sheets using a super handy add-on. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up the tool, navigate its options, and smoothly translate anything in your sheet, whether it's just a few cells or the entire document. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, in order to translate anything in Google Sheets, you'll need an add-on called Sheets Translator. Think of add-ons as special apps that give your Google Sheets new abilities, just like installing an app on your phone. If you haven't added Sheets Translator yet, don't worry, it only takes a minute. To get it, open your Google Sheet, head up to the top menu and click on Extensions. Now hover over Add-ons and select Get Add-ons from the dropdown. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where you can search for tools just like downloading apps from an app store. In the search bar, type in Sheets Translator. You should see it pop up. Go ahead and click on it, then hit Install. You might need to grant some permissions so the add-on can do its job, and that's normal. It just needs access to read and write to your sheet, so it can get your text and put in the translation. Once Sheets Translator is installed, it's time to actually use it. Go back up to the Extensions menu, hover over Sheets Translator, and then select Open. You'll notice a sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. This is the main control panel for translating. Here, where the fun happens, at the top of the sidebar you'll see an option to pick your target language. Maybe you want your sheet in Spanish, French, Japanese. Pick whatever you need from the drop-down list. The translator uses Google's engine, so you've got a bunch of languages covered. Take a second to double-check you're picking the right one because this will affect your whole output. Now take a look at the settings further down. Sheets Translator is quite flexible. You can choose if you want to translate a specific column, just certain selected areas, or even the whole sheet at once. If you're just working with a small part, maybe only product names or a particular list, you can select only those areas and the tool will only touch what you want. On the other hand, if you want to completely switch your entire spreadsheet to a new language, just hit Translate Sheet. When you're ready, hit the Translate button and wait for the magic to happen. This part might take a few moments, especially if your sheet has a lot of information. Don't worry if things seem to pause, just let the add-on do its work. You'll see your content change before your eyes, going from your original text to your chosen language. And that's really all there is to it. You've now quickly translated your Google Sheet without the need to copy, paste, or use a separate translation app. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, run into any issues, or want more tips for Google Sheets. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and happy translating.